Alright, 9.6 is basically a culmination of everything that you've learned in Chapter 9. And so what you're going to be given is just a bunch of different equations, and you're going to have to figure out whether they are a parabola, a circle, an ellipse, or a hyperbola. So if you remember, a parabola has only one term that's going to be squared. So this has two terms that are squared. So this obviously cannot be a parabola. So you can mark out the parabola. It could be a circle, it could be an ellipse, or it could be a hyperbola. So what we need to do is get your x squared and your y squared on the same side of your equation. So if we start off with the equation that's given to us, with y squared equals 18 minus 2x squared. Then what we can do is we can add 2x squared to both sides. And when you do that, you're going to end up getting both your x squared and your y squared on the same side of your equal sign. So you end up getting a 2x squared 2x squared plus y squared equals 18. Now we can rule out that this is not a hyperbola because it does not have a minus sign, so we can take out hyperbola. Now, and this isn't going to be a circle, because if you notice, both of your, if you look in front of your x squared and in front of your y squared, here you have a 2, here you have a 1. In order for it to be a circle, they both have to be the same number. So that's not going to be possible to be a circle. So the only other option that we have is to be an ellipse. So in order for this to be an ellipse, what we need to do is we need to get our equation set equal to 1. So we're going to have to divide everything by 18. So divide the y squared by 18, divide the x squared by 18, and you end up getting your x squared becomes a 1 over 9, and you have a y squared is 1 over 18. So since this is a parabola, it does matter which one you write first. So we're going to write that we have the y squared over 18 first, plus, when we cancel the 2, and this becomes a 1, and this becomes a 9, then you're going to end up with the equation of x squared over 9. Now this is also going to give us an orientation where your graph is looking up. So by using that, we can tell that, well, we need to list out our h, k, a, and b. So your h is 0, your k is 0, your a, that's going to be the square root of 18, which since we're going to need that to graph, your square root of 18, I think, is going to be 4.2. And if you take the square root of 9, that means that your b is going to be 3. So when you graph this, your center is at 0, 0, 0. And since your y is on top, that means it's going to be vertical. So that means you're going to go up 4.2. So somewhere around it. It's a little high. And down 4.2. And then you're going to go to the right 3, and to the left 3. So then you draw in your ellipse. Ooh, that's a good one. There we go. So that is how you rewrite an equation of a conic section.